Hello friends, Adam with Vital Garden Supply here. So today I'm here to talk to you about our newest product to our Vital line, which is called Vital Plus Biological Inoculant. So we have it in two sizes available, 2.5 gallon and a 1 gallon. And what you're looking at here is an enzymatic product that in general use, this product would be good for cleaning out your irrigation lines after using our Vital line of liquids. Our liquids are 100% organic and natural, so these products will leave residue in your irrigation lines that can develop anaerobic behavior and start to poison your garden if you don't clean it out. So this product is one that you can do as a cleaning agent in your irrigation system right after you feed your garden. So what that means is that this can be done right into the soil. You don't have to use your blowouts on your lines. You can flush it right into the soil. It won't hurt plants. It actually is very beneficial for plants. So another good use of this, specifically for gardeners that are finishing fruits and flowers at the end of the full term season or at the end of their season of the specific type of flower they're growing, this product can be used as a flush to move the salts in your soil, specifically off the roots of your plants. Another wonderful thing about this specific type of enzymatic product is that this one has nitrogen and phosphorus fixing bacteria that have been added to help your garden utilize what fertilizer is left in the soil after you're coming to the end of your season. Many different ways to use this product in a program. I myself like to feed my indoor garden with a food system, enzymatic, food system, enzymatic. I myself find that it produces a really nice effect for my flowers, and the flowers come out extraordinarily clean. So on that basis, this product can be adapted into many different situations. I highly recommend it for all organic growers, especially those who like to feed their flowers heavy. This product will help move those salts out of your system. So check it out. You can find it on our website, vitalgardensupply.com. And I highly recommend it for your gardens, both indoor, outdoor, and greenhouse type of cultivation. All right, thank you. This was Adam from Vital Garden Supply, and I hope you have a good day.